is military. Everybody na soldier, na soldier, na soldier. Cause you don't tell we the patience. And we them do anyhow, we go chop like a lion. So them promise our old mama, them promise our old papa. Some people tell the children, say them go feed them for school. All their promise don't balaga. Their mother smell like dawa dawa. Hey. May them help us, connect us. I swear we the fire. Boko Haram, una they blow alarm. Up the back, they don't take up. Fuel encore, dollar encore. Even to chop rice na problem. Austin Bibi, you and they black. They una say like I talk it. He don't jaga. Everything don't scatter. No man, sofa. I swear they don't deceive us. See. Obliged to Nigeria, my country.
Brothers and sisters, yeah, go ahead and share the word of freedom. Go ahead and share the word of freedom. You know what I'm saying? It's going to go down right now. Right from D-Town, Dallas, Texas. Go ahead, let's spread the word of freedom.
Oh, the Papa government. It's money. Them the Uru government. Now you talk on, I don't dare. Taku government. Superior. Talk it. I swear they don't deceive us. Jaga, everything scatter. Oh man, sofa. I swear they don't deceive us. Jaga, everything scatter. Oh man, sofa. I swear they don't deceive us. They them say, now we be leaders of tomorrow. But when you check it, the same people see they lead us till tomorrow. All we need now Moses, when go take us to the promised land. We need a Moses, when go lead us to the promised land. Oluwa come save your people. Jehovah people, come bless our hustle. They say there be change. And so we come there, follow. Instead of change, my brother, them put me and you for chain. Oh yeah. Them be one chance. Then they play pranks. Now them be corruption. But them say then they fight them. Listen, food in order. Economy don't bag 'em. Even police for this country, I swear they done they hungry. Them go stop you for road, them go check your pocket, them go check your handset. Wait till they won't see if not be music and my video. All we need now Moses, when go take us to the promised land. We need a Moses, when go lead us to the promised land. Oluwa come save your people. Jehovah people, come bless our household. Now the street is military. Everybody na soldier. Cause you don't tell we the patience. And we them do anyhow, we go chop like a lion. So them promise our old mama, them promise our old papa. Some people tell the children, say them go feed them for school. All their promise don't balaga. Their mother smell like dawa. Hey. May them help us, connect us. I swear we the fire. Boko Haram, una they blow alarm. Up the back, they don't take up. Fuel encore, dollar encore. Even to chop rice na problem. Austin Bibi, you and they black. They una say like I talk it. He don't jaga. Everything don't scatter. No man, sofa. I swear they don't deceive us. See. Obliged to Nigeria, my country. Yeah. To be faithful and honest. Yeah. Serve Nigeria with all my strength. Yeah. But how we want to serve when we never see food chop?
Yes. Brothers and sisters, wow, it's a long day, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I need you all to help me share this video. This video is going to be Vogo language free. I need you all to help me share it until it get to number 1, Kingsley Moghalu or Fela Durontoye. It's going to be crazy today. A lot of people are going to be shocked. But there is a lot of senses of what I'm about to let the whole world know about. I'm a little bit tired. I just get off from work, as we understand. Yesterday when I was online, my boss keeps sending me message, calling. I have no choice. You know, I need money. You know what I'm saying? So I get up this morning, early in the morning. I have to go to work, you know, to go and work, you know. I got to support my innocent poor citizen. You know what I'm saying? So, however, before we even start, I want to thank People Freedom Movement member worldwide. I want to thank you all. I need you all to help me to share the word of freedom. You can see the camera is kind of zooming up and down because the major camera was corrupt. So it took me a long time for me to fix it. You know, my system has been attacked all the time. You know what I'm saying? So this is one of the superstars that is going to be performing in Showtime Dallas, Texas. TIBAAC Showtime mega fundraising in Dallas. So enjoy this music before I take care of some things. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. So it's gonna be crazy that day. Anyway, if you're on Facebook, go ahead and spread the word of freedom. It's about to go down. I need you to hit the share button and tag your friends before we start this show today. You know, I'm not going to be long online. I have a message. Please help me share this video message until it gets to them all of them. You got to get to them all. PDP, Atiku Abubakar, heard, or whatever you want to call it, executive and legislative arms of looting meeting yesterday, according to one of my followers. He said when he saw Atiku Abubakar with Olusegun Obasanjo, he said they are holding executive and legislative arms of looting. He called it looters. Looting meeting yesterday, October 11, 2018. Just like President Muhammad Buhari did about 4 years ago. Message. If you don't know the meaning of HERD, a lot of people, a lot of academia, they're going to be surprised. They'll be asking, why is this man writing HERD? The definition of HERD is a group of animals. A group of animals or people who share the same characteristics. An example of herd is a group of cattle, sheep, or elephant who live and travel together. An example of a group of people who dress and act like similar way. Did I make myself clear? I define it. Because the academia, they're going to read it. They're going to say, what the hell is writing? Did they even know what is writing? So that is why I explain it. These are a group of animals, sheep, cattle. They dress similar. They act similar. Yes. Go to dictionary and check it. Obasanjo, Atiku Abubakar, they are cattle, they are elephant. They are the same. They behave the same. Everything they do is the same. It is a pity that my equipment malfunction, that disorganized me a little bit. But however, here is the direct message to Fela Dorontoye. If any Fela Dorontoye fans is here, send this message. If you want to cut this video up, you can cut it. Why Atiku, PDP Atiku Abubakar, we are holding executive legislative arm of looting meeting with the greatest Maradona of all time, the chairman of the Crocodiles meeting, El General, who destroy us in Kaki and later come in Agbada and dismantle our destiny. Olusegun Obasanjo, there's no meeting you will have. Check all the presidents who have held a meeting with Obasanjo. How did he end up? Is it Goodluck Jonathan? Is it Umaru Musa Yar'Adua? That one just died because Obasanjo pressure was too much. Who else? Muhammad Buhari, Fulani else may kill everybody. PDP. Hell, I'm disappointed in you people. So, if it is Obasanjo, is the man that will tell 180 million or almost 200 million Nigerians where their life will stay, how they will live, how their destiny will be shaped, and how their happiness is going to look like. I would rather just die not to be a Nigerian. How can you allow this group of people continue to play with you? Look at Nigerian people. What they go call? How come one man they say Obasanjo, anytime a presidential candidate see Obasanjo, Balaba don enter, Bururu don enter, Mago don enter, Luti don enter. Obasanjo is a demon. Why you know? Shut up. Obasanjo. Olusegun Obasanjo. Since 1960, Obasanjo did not allow Nigeria to rest. Since 1960, Obasanjo continued to destroy Nigeria in Kaki. And Obasanjo continued to destroy Nigeria in Agbada. Even as he's old with Gary that is soaking, still Obasanjo did not allow Nigeria to move forward. Obasanjo chained all of your destiny and put the key in the pocket. This say Obasanjo. The whole Nigeria say Obasanjo road is the road, and you have no road. Fulani Esme is killing you, is not killing Obasanjo children. Obasanjo children, what your father? All Obasanjo grandchildren. Can't you, I beg, why Nigeria not, why where God there for this world? There's no God in Nigeria. Only say go Obasanjo, which church you never go? Wait till draw Atiku Abubakar. If anybody would have voted for Atiku Abubakar, for going to Obasanjo Palo, Atiku Abubakar, you are finished. PDP, people destroy people. People destroy people. Pikin deceive Papa. Papa deceive Pikin. PDP, you don't become vulture. You don't become cat when we never stop stealing. PDP, is it not the same PDP that destroyed Nigeria? Huh? Now Obasanjo, is it not the same Obasanjo? Out of 8 years, Obasanjo, even the Obasanjo have bring NTA. NTA Obasanjo brought. He do what they call kill and divide. Every day you buy recharge card. Every recharge card you buy, Obasanjo is pocketing millions. Within South Africa MTN. Look at even the owner of Glow. Less than how many years become a billionaire. Obasanjo decide how they will take killing our people. Look at my T-Mobile. I only pay one fish in a month. Laka Mobile, one fees in a month. Why can't Obasanjo that use telecommunication? Obasanjo destroy NITEC completely. RTT, now so they destroy them. Buhari, Obasanjo. This say Obasanjo. What is wrong with Nigeria people? There, you see Dorotoye. Showore, be careful. I told you if you listen to God, you will succeed. I did not say you should listen to Mega Comrade. Listen to God Almighty. If you did not listen to God Almighty, is it not the same Dorotoye that you have an agreement with? When Dorotoye will come, if Dorotoye want to be president, it will be another. Let me tell you, I have a message for you, Dorotoye. I don't know you. I don't hate you. I think I will not say I like you because you are about to torpedo our destiny. Our dream, the old youth, the old poor destiny. You are about to torpedo it. Fela Dorotoye of ANN. ANN. That is the name of his party. And Kingsley Moghalu of YPP. Where is he wired for? Where is ANA coming from? YPP. What is wrong with these two people? So you people want to allow this old man to come and destroy Nigeria. Fela Dorotoye and Kingsley Moghalu and others, other presidential aspirants. Please, why can't you people come down from your high horses, like my member said, and work with Comrade Omoyele Sowore as one team before the old cabal, before this old team that we do not want, old cabal for Obasanjo, Atiku Abubakar, take our chance. Why can't you all work together? Fela Dorotoye, why do you want to destroy Nigeria? You are self-centered though. It's all about you or what? Do you really care about Nigeria? Fela Dorotoye, what is your problem? If you don't want to join Sowore, stop hanging around with Sowore. Mind your goddamn business. What is all this for? Today you are with Sowore. Tomorrow you there what did they call her? Like Hakama. The other phone don't Kataka. See these people. Hey, what? So why would Fela B, they don't pay you? APC don't pay you. Kingsley Moghalu, they don't pay you. I know say they don't pay you because you will not get money. Have they pay you people? It is time for Nigerian youth to start asking you people. Instead of you to join hand with Sowore and move Nigeria forward. Fela Dorotoye. So you want to allow the Atiku Abubakar with Obasanjo? Everybody know Buhari is dead. Buhari just is living on a life support. Now, as Nigeria economy die, living on life support, Buhari is the head of the whole Nigeria. Buhari is on life support. We all know that. Ha. Look at these people. Why would nobody even know your party? I don't even want to call it. What did they call her? What is the name of the party? Nigeria, have you heard of this? What do they call her? ANN or what do they call her? YPP is that a party? But these people in social media, why can't you people bombard these people platform? Tell them to pack their bag and baggage and stay behind Sowore. Let me tell you, if on Monday or Friday next week, I am going to come out purposely because of this. If Fela Dorotoye want to even smell the office of presidency or any other political office in Nigeria, and Kingsley Moghalu, if you want to smell any political office in Nigeria forever, it is better for both of you to go and meet Sowore. Genuinely stand behind Sowore. Stop for line. Now one line there. It's only one line. That one line number one, where they for Sowore. Only one line we have. We are the innocent poor citizens, the youth of now one line. Una support them, una advise them. Make una advise them. Mega Combe no go come. Fulani no go kill you. They no go kill Doronto you. They no go kill Kingsley Moghalu. Buhari they no go kill him. Even the say Obasanjo and Atiku Abubakar they no go die. Now, when they support Fela, where Fela they go? Where they go? Everybody don't know say Fela now kick right, kick back. We already know. Fela, if you want too much, maybe a minister they will give you. Because you cannot even be a vice president. You be operation kick right or kick left. Today you are with Sowore. Next tomorrow you are not with Sowore. You know what I'm saying? What is all this for? See wahala. Why you cannot? Let me tell you, when I said yesterday, I said Edo State, or since Edo State was Bender State was created, Bender State only have two governors who we recognize as a genuine governor. The tiger and the lion combined, mega comrade, recognized as the best governor of all time is Ogbemudia, Dr. S.O. Ogbemudia, and Professor Ambrose Ali. That's it. And those two people come from a good land, a good local government. Unfortunately, these two local governments have been segregated. Esa land is not going anywhere since Ali left it. That is how it is. Oriomo is completely dead. Ogbemudia did not even do much, but he gave us tar road. Since 1975, the road to my village have not been touched by any political, whatever the PDP or APC. Why would any Oriomo people vote for PDP or APC? With a lack of say, who say better thing they come Oriomo? They come Benin land. Who say make it not come? Make our ancestors clear. That's what they swear. And these people know say PDP and APC better not they come from them. We all know nothing good come out of PDP. Look, Goodluck Jonathan, he take 19 billion, take sleep, take do Kelewa, dance any sister. 19 billion. All your money. Jonathan take and do Kelewa, cassava, bah. That's why Jonathan was say that you see that there is God, oh, there is God when she they cry, not be ordinary cry. Because they say cry when cow cry for inside body, a big part one when cry come out. There is God, oh, not be the God strike her husband come up for power. No, not they think right. Obasanjo come. He steal Nigerian money in 1970s. After he collected all the money, what did Obasanjo do? He went to go and invest in a farm that he don't know how to farm. Obasanjo destroyed that money. He become wretched, a prodigal man. Ruffian. After he destroyed, they managed, gather, and kill Abiola. After they kill Abiola, opportunists. They say Obasanjo that helped lead the Biafrans to go one. Reporting of duty. They say Obasanjo that deceived the Igbo people. They say Obasanjo who deceived the Igbo people came and reaped the fruit of Abiola labor. Ever since Obasanjo, Mr. Kick forward, kick back. That is been his life. When Obasanjo saw that Sowore did not come and see him, nobody come and see him, he become irrelevant. He tried to organize a party. Obasanjo went to Celestia. They begin to burn that smoke for her. They burn the smoke, burn her, so PDP, go beg them. If the beggar finish, Obasanjo continue to burn the Celestial church smoke. Bam. Atiku Abubakar come. Now they don't make the how to loot and continue to loot and continue to loot. Tell me what they are discussing in Obasanjo parlor that are favor Nigeria. Tell me one thing. Can you people share this video? Eh? You think you will sleep when bomb will start to drop? If let me tell you, if na vote Buhari or Atiku Abubakar na go yeramo, una go Fulani esme from Niger, from Guinea Conakry, Guinea Bissau, una go yeram. They go kill all of them. Na go yeram. Waga oi, na go yeram. Mo kuna try. Now that Fulani go tell na say na Lagos. There will be nothing like Benin. Fulani Esme is already in Benin. Bomb have already started exploding in Ekenwa Road. When I was saying it, they say it to talk. It to they talkative. They tell Allah wagbe. Yek betalo wagbe. Can you imagine? Yeah, wait, tiebo. Very about fekulelua. Waro watalogbe, etalo la wagbe. Igi tiebo sha, but ya buwa iruni nanwa. Etalo la wagbe. Etalo la wagbe. All wagbe we all wagbe ota. Ele mentegbe managu wana egwena. Erioke aye eni Jesu. Iruni nanwa we la wabota. A prayer you pray. Now I pray. I don't curse no more. I will pray for you. Can you imagine? Obasanjo. Wait, look at this man. Have you people seen Obasanjo? Wait, somebody sent this picture to me today. He said, I sent it to Kataka. What is wrong with Nigerian people? Eh? Out of 100 and almost 200 million. So there's no one person. If not be God, when cripple Babangida. Where are the pastors? I even hear that even David Oyedepo. Hey, I bet if now they go win our chapel, what I call her David Oyedepo. If now they go in church, and I know say I like her way. But I just tell her, make una just tell her, make stay away from all this cabal. No be that prayer. The cause when me with and lay on them. Not be a bastard go bring person come on. The people that are ready to work are going to visit Woloshenka. The demon are going to Obasanjo's shrine to worship idol, to worship backward, operation backward. Say wow. Kingsley Moghalu. What did they call you? Well, I think say you get sense more. Even Dorotoye, they respect them before. Even though na small boys they be. I not be their mate. I not say make I fight them. But yet I humble myself. Eh? So this suffer that I'll be suffering when Nigeria they suffer. Are you people not seeing it? What is your problem, Kingsley Moghalu or Dorotoye? What is your which kind of shakara they worry you? Eh? Which kind of shakara you did? What did they worry you? It never reach where you go drop your ego. You know you are not going nowhere. You can never go to me, you will never have my vote. Not be my parents. Not even 1 million. No Kingsley Moghalu or Dorotoye. Instead of una to throw away keep property, I know say make you bring am. But me Sowore, meeting Sowore, tell and show. We care for the poor. For that simple reason, we are ready to work with you genuinely and let your youth unite. But you people are there. You like Obasanjo gang. They take us. They do caricature. caricature. Obasanjo wey no go even fit sleep with a woman for 1 minute or 10 minutes without Viagra. Eh? What we go? Why God not retire Obasanjo? Sometimes I blame God for this thing, but I don't go blame her because Nigerians don't see too much. They see so most West Africa country or Africa country see so God abandon them. God Almighty abandoned them. God himself run. He don't want Nigeria wahala. God himself don't tire for Nigeria wahala. The youth ear don't lock. God try to even open her. Even screwdriver nothing open their ear. How can you allow old man to give you 1,000, 5,000? Take buy your life, buy your destiny for the next 8 years, 4 years or 8 years. Eh? Why would anybody do that? Mona invite kids. I bet if you know their fans, Mona go their page, go anywhere where social media, anybody when they broadcast and go tell them say, I get message for Kingsley Moghalu and a fella, whether they call her Dorotoye. Mona go do one. Mona go do one. I gave everybody 5 minutes. Go ahead and do one. I beg, I don't tire for this thing. Make una go do one. Go and send that message and come back here. Go and send that message. They don't tire me. Eh? Huh? Go and tell them.
Money. Them be wuru government. Now you talk on. I don't dare. Taku government. Superior. Talk it. I swear they don't deceive us. Jaga. Everything scatter. Oh man, suffer. I swear they don't deceive us. Jaga. Everything scatter. Oh man, suffer. I swear they don't deceive us. Say now we be leaders of tomorrow. But when you check the same people see they lead us in tomorrow. All we need now Moses when go take us to.
So, do you want these old people to use us? Let me tell you how they're going to use us now. Let me show you. You see, APC, they don't go, they bring poster and they share them. We'll see. Let me speak what a lot of people can understand. Right now, APC are coming out with their propaganda machine. You see what they are sharing around, and I'm using it. It said, fat of men that destroy our country, our dear country. Buhari, one person that is missing here. Look at it. Who is missing here? Can anybody tell me who is missing here? Somebody should tell me who is missing here. You know who is missing there? Buhari. Buhari. How can anybody allow this man right here? Look at him. Oh, come on. Look at him. Eh? How can... Now, wow. Buhari is the one missing here. You know what they want to do? They want to play what they call... they want to use smear campaign. Like the one Edo Bad Foundation used against me. Smear campaign. They want to smear. They want us to join them to damage their name. After we damage their name, APC is missing here. These people didn't bring Boko. Boko Haram was there. Fulani Esme was not killing you in the south. Buhari brought them. He said instead of killing in the north, just go to south and kill them all. And it's missing here. It's missing here. And now, with all this, even that is why I love Sowore. That is the reason why I love Sowore. Sowore said, let them be bringing their list. PDP will bring the list of looters. APC will bring the list of looters. Sowore just told them. Moghalu is not doing that. Dorotoye, they are not doing that. What they are doing is upper power. Dorotoye, why can't you look at yourself? Huh? Look at yourself if you have the credibility of the youth. The youth don't like you. They don't like you. The only time you get attention is when you say we're going to work together. That is why I even know you. Who cares about Dorotoye of whatever they call it? I even like Kingsley Morgan no more than Dorotoye. Dorotoye operation kick forward and kick backward. The same way you people gang up, try to lock Sowore into a useless deal. Thank God Almighty. I watch people were ratting. I don't even care about that. But what I'm telling you now, what? Okay, you don't want to work with Sowore. Why? Don't tell you which kind of shakara you they make. I be no be Naija boy you be. What did they worry yourself? Eh? That because of Sowore they respect you now. If not, I go torpedo your campaign. I go torpedo her hands down without delay. Every day. It go be Dorotoye, 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 Dorowuru, 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 Doro. You know what I'm saying? Why would you? Have Nigeria not died enough in the sea enough? Where you there? Where Sowore they fight everywhere? Where you there, Dorotoye? Where were you? Where Sowore? Where were you? Where do you hide? The other one, they bank, they collect money. Eh? We not there for grammar. We not there for resume. Now poverty resume we get. More than just leave Sowore alone. If I want to work with her, I work with her. If I don't want to work with her, no follow and do hanky pack game. This can be a core business. What I want to do with her. I bet Dorotoye people make her talk to Nagao. Why they use Sowore they shine? Eh? Why is he using Sowore to shine? Can you imagine? Every time you know say he wants to sit down, that Dorotoye is the greatest manipulator of all time. Sowore is not seeing what I'm seeing though. Me at 1984 know what they call traditional doctor. At the CFA. What is the color? I don't know why even what in be name. When well at here. When we go quit Doro, fella Dorotoye. When it's going down, if we go and use Sowore, we get energy back. And Sowore people that is around there, fella come, they go laugh, wah. You know, they say that man, now snake. And you know, now snake. Why are you using Sowore for your energy? What is holding you since? Why did you carry Sowore into a group that you people know that you are not going to support him? Why? Why? Make una just leave Omoyele Sowore. If una allowed, Atiku Abubakar way no know anything. Atiku Abubakar won Obasanjo don't toss a lie because you know what Atiku Abubakar was doing when they were working together. Obasanjo said, Obasanjo will talk right, he go talk left, he go talk go down, go up. Obasanjo not get reserve. He don't get anything for life. Obasanjo not destroy. Obasanjo they do. Obasanjo name go down are one of the biggest, the most satanic man in the world. What will I call it? Imagine you already 18. Whether the chairman of all demons. Eh? So now, read that thing for me there. What is he saying? Yeah, he said, ask Sowore to do what? Give it to me. Let me read it there. I can see it better there. You know what I'm saying? Let me read it. In my people, share this video, YouTube and Facebook. I don't tire. I will talk. Una know they pay me. Death full my head. Tomorrow now, everything work for Nigeria. I don't even know me. When I say this college dropout. He said, please, mega comrade, plead with Sowore to ask all the presidential candidates to go on a live debate, including Buhari. That will be a knockout punch to all of them. We already know. Why would they put them in debate? Why would they, Ima? I understand you. Why would they even put them in debate? What concerned Dorotoye with presidency? When I was going from one embassy to another embassy, where were Dorotoye? Where were Kingsley Moghalu? When Nigeria were dying in Mediterranean in Libya, where were Dorotoye? Where were Moghalu? This monkey they walk about the chop. Where were Dorotoye? Dorotoye bland. I be Kingsley Moghalu not get I know they see. Where were these people? They should, during Babangida regime, 1990, we tried to push Babangida out. You know what? They crushed all students down. 1991, we tried. Before Babangida come with Maradona scale operation, he dissolved all the political parties. Say he want to make it two system of political party. He did it two political party. And we tried. On that, when Babangida and know that me I carry blood, I bleeded for it. Where Dorotoye should tell us between the Sapler Road, by federal prison and Omoruye Street, Sokobaro the Benin. That is where I hide in the toilet. When Ogbeya declare shoot aside, Dorotoye should come and tell us where he joined us. Fight the military. Fela Dorotoye should come and tell us where were they. Where? Sowore can say where he was. He was in Lagos Unilag. Where were these people? Monkey the chop about the chop. All this a woo. What is all this for? These people want to split Sowore vote. Hey, see their skill. So they don't brab on Abi. Another Kenneth Okonkwo. They don't brab on Abi. Another annual fear. He don't come. Kenneth Okonkwo. Do you see the calamity I rain on him? Me and some of my Igbo brothers. Only 3 of us rain calamity. JNU, go and watch it on YouTube. People Freedom Movement. YouTube. Go and watch Kenneth Okonkwo calamity. 3 of us. And look at Kenneth Okonkwo life today now. Look at his life. Look at his life. He's living in bondage already. Bondage will never leave him for the rest of his life. Now he's calling. Wait. Hey, woo. Another one don't come. Another one they come. Dorotoye. Dorotoye. Why do you want to be a president? What have you done? How many people you have helped get even permit in Europe? How many people you have helped get passport booklet? How many people you don't help? Have you ever go to any refugee camp that Nigerians are languishing? Ghana even close to you. Have you not heard that Nigerians that are in prison in Ghana is uncountable? Dorotoye. You can take Juju catch all the Sowore team. Me. From Benin, go to land. Me. The tiger and the lion. You know the one for my body. Lie. If I sit down here, my eye go to see Nigeria. You know they work. You can take Babalawo, take catch all of them, chop them. You know they work for my body. Now only me go come up for the whole group, speak against you, and nobody they stop me because I know the answer to anybody. I the answer to God and my innocent poor citizen. I am the king of the poor, the tiger and the lion. How dare you want to torpedo our life? We will torpedo your campaign. You wait. We give you few weeks to surrender. If you not surrender full weeks, not the travel, not go come Western world. No anywhere you want go. Now speaker will go carry. We go blow that noise for your ear. You not go even get take campaign again. You know what? I know how to deal with people like you. If you just take Shakara, just come on for road. You and this Kingsley Moghalu. I beg, Momo don't do, my brother. You know, say I love you. I love you. No, allow these people. Can't spoil the work when me and you don't do. Now only two movement, they the whole world when it came about Nigeria. People freedom movement. Who is that have done what nobody have done. And I don't blame you, you don't try for Nigeria when you did. You don't have your power reach. No other movement. No other. Where is another one? And this our sister that we didn't know that she was trying to be, what is her name? That tried to be president. I know it. When he goes to stand of police, I say this woman a propaganda she they do. This woman a wayo. Now wayo na GPT. What be her name? Make una tell me her name. Destiny. Tabarani Bonafana. Who did the mona tell me her name? Why this YouTuber not to see what they write? Tell me their name. Where is it? What's your name? Huh? No, there's this lady. I don't know what behind her. I don't see her. But I tell me her name. Whether now Eunice, whether they call her. Now Eunice they call her. But I tell me her name. That plan where madam. Plan where madam want to be. You don't ever think say, you don't dream say Nigeria for the next 10, 20 years, they go allow woman to become president. Where Arawa Republic did there. It's allow about they go allow you. Which kind of market you want to play? Una way one spoil our way, show way. Now God, I will pray for you. God Almighty will put you people to permanent arrest in Jesus' mighty name. You must be arrested by God Almighty. Ungazi, no, not be Ungazi the caller. Wanna tell me better name when I went to use your Facebook self. What be the real name? Give me the full name. Give me the full name. That woman, where go they do propaganda? Go they do propaganda. Arrest me. Why you don't follow me? Go EU Parliament. Go protect. Come on, could go to Prime Minister, British Prime Minister office. Come and follow me to the White House. Come and follow me to the White House. Now Abuja you go they do local yeah thing. Now Eunice whether they call her now Eunice artist say they call her. Can you imagine? Very soon now be our problem now. Buhari, that one we don't top it around. You know, say as I destroy Obaseki for Edo State, I damage her. The PF we destroy her. See, Obaseki is finished. He's not even thinking it. That governor 2020, if not be mega company from Moriomo, he go be my Asian brother. Finish. No other person. No other person. Asian people don't to suffer. Oriomo people don't to suffer. If Benin want, they just want unity. There is no sugar coating, nothing. You know what I'm saying? Eze Wele Obi. No. Yusuf, not be that one, Yusuf. You know, say I did that video. Yusuf, which country they do? Eunice Obi. Now correct. God bless you. Kanu, God bless you. Smart man. Ha! Akata. See these people. Kai! Joshua Kanu. Now God go bless you. Thank you. Eunice Obi. Eunice Obi waiting. Obi Kini. And now you know say you want run for you. Don't you see me since I be crying? If not me, how can you do it? If not PFM, what PFM have done, no other movement have done it since I was born. Nobody. What people freedom movement have done? Where many people not the value? Where they not the value? Everything we have done. Tell me one thing that PFM have done that anybody else have done since you was born. You know they. How many Nigerians went to Prime Minister office? 2 times. British Prime Minister 2 times. British Prime Minister go to EU Parliament, Italian Parliament, embassies, White House, unbreakable records. One man, one mic with the cameraman. Fearless man. The tiger, the lion. Then you see all this cockroach. They say, I want her to an amigo make a who they crazy. I will pray for you. Make a one back in you in Jesus' name. I will pray for you. If I bought fekula or what? I will in Jesus' name. Amen. Can you imagine? Fela Dorotoye. Wait, I will just do one video. Share this. I will just do one. Now, Mona send me his number. Send me Fela Dorotoye number. Kingsley Morgan, Umona, send me their number. I better go tell my friend, my brother, Charlie. He has suffered with Mumu Dondu. I beg my brother, I am begging you. This is Mega Comrade. Send this video to him. I am begging you. We all know that people love Sowore. Sowore is what the youth want. We know it. You know it. I know it. Why can't you tell these people to just work for Sowore? Kingsley Morgan is from what state? Can somebody tell me what state he come from? Eh? Somebody should write it for me. Kingsley Morgan, wait till they call, I don't know. Tell me what state he come from. No matter Yusuf, they're not go share. If not money now, they go share now. Wait. Make them see me for Aso Villa tomorrow. You go see that they go full year me. That they go find breast when they want look. A thief. Why woman want not get? Abian State. Very good. Is he Anambra or Abian State? Very good. Kingsley Moghalu can work with us. Who is this person calling me at this time now? Why is this person calling me? If this person calling me at this time when you know I'm online, now big problem. Hello? What's up? But you know I'm online. Tell me why you are calling me. Now money you want to give you over there. Huh? No, don't call me, take me share for people. You must donate money for this call when you call. If not, I'm not going to answer your call again. I'll be once for our market, my brother. You go now 100 euro. This call when you call now 100 euro. Put out for your account. Send me the receipt. If not, we go quarrel.
We go top it all these people who want top it all.
My brother, I tell you, see this Dorotoye, they take Shakara, me, I'm the catcher. See these people.
We go pray for them. We go pray for them.
I beg you, man, I begin to pray for them. Man, they pray for them. You know, say, this man, you know what he they do? This Dorotoye, this Doro Wayo.
Which kind of this one? Would they try what would deal away with all these old men, all these old cargoes when on anything?
Dorotoye call the sneak, they come meet Sowore again. Why? Come on. I go shot for their head, Dorotoye.
That country.
Eh? My brother.
We go do video for them.
I bet, come on, we go top it on Dorotoye.
As you then scatter overtake, you go scatter them.
I go destroy them one time, bam. God bless you, my brother. Put the money for the account. God bless you. Hey, we'll see this Dorotoye. Doro, listen, may I shout for your head? You won't go Dorotoye. You want to destroy our life? Hey, what? Do I look happy here? I'm just coming for work. Oh. So Dorotoye, waiting, I lost my wife passport, my wife marriage certificate, my children passport, my own passport, my bag with European other country resident. I lose, I will never recover it. What more than money cannot buy it. So you think I lost those things? For you, Dorotoye, or Kingsley Moghalu, go put some far for Mangari. Dorotoye, stay away if you don't want to join us. I beg, may I need that for you. See this man, oh. So you want to fuel. You want to fuel your energy. So now Sowore, now you want to refuel. Are we talking of Sowore now? Are we talking of the party 112 for Dallas now? Not be Dorotoye, we can't talk. Now your system, now your star. I'm even disappointed. Even Dr. Mark come there. They cannot read you and know that you want to use Sowore again. You first use that take picture. Oh, we are agreed to work together. What happened to that one? Huh? Hapa. Say this to Dorotoye. Without your boy head. Now lay you the bad boy. You want to see my boy head? You want to see how Dorotoye? You don't see my head? Dorotoye. See this man. Oh. If you allow Atiku Abubakar Move forward. Distract Showore. Oh, come on. God Almighty will distract you. Me, my love for Showore, not before anything. Now, you see, it is unbreakable. I don't care for anything. I just want to make it win. If Showore is down there, now we think go do help the poor. No more deportation of Nigeria anyhow. Who want to one with you? You will never even go Ghana. Dorotoye, let me give you a work assignment. If you want to work with Showore, you prove to me next week, go to the prison where they are locking Nigerians like Geisha. Go there and shine a spotlight and protest against the Ghanaians. You do that. As Showore is planning to come to Italy to visit most of the refugee camp, you go and do that. Because Showore already plan Italy, you go to Ghana. Go to Ghana, show us. Kingsley Moghalu, money will collect for bank, he never do you. Why you never support Showore? Carry money come out. You want 5 people money, take to Cambia market. Tomorrow you say you want to minister. Me, I don't hate you. Me, I like you. I even like this Dorotoye. But I know I go begin to hate you now. As soon as I want to destroy our life. Me, I don't go allow to Tompito our career. Now me go first Tompito now. I'll be Tompito master. Now Iwa will eat my finger. Idema. See people want you. If you want to know, I be go ask Obaseki or ask commission. Ask Inspector General Police Ibrahim Idris. He will tell you who I am. Ask him. Ibrahim Idris tell his own friend. Say if he catch me, go ask her. He will tell you what now. I don't do one. Why Ibrahim Idris is planning for me? He go tell you. I will Tompito you. Look my eye. Tompito your political career. You are there forever. I have nothing to lose. My own not be doing that. My own not be doing. Now Showore own. Because now Showore I be our last hope. Now Showore own presidency I be doing that. My own not be doing that. I will carry and give my Asian people. All these Benin people when they do, they just talk. When the time go come, they go hear them. We'll just hand over that governorship. If they say they don't want to make it come on, it could just go in some land. Can you imagine? These people, eh? So, you know what? I need to put this on a mission. I want you to dial this number. Tell me what we should do this to Dorotoye and Kingsley Moghalu. That is number +1 469 618 2990. I repeat, YouTube, share this video. YouTube, you are just less than 400. Share this video, and Facebook is less than 300. That is about 700. That is for the Abemona share may go rich, and 700 go to rich. 700 viewer. Is that how it will get to Kingsley Moghalu or Dorotoye? When I don't know their page, Mona go press on there. Mona go press on there. You know what I'm saying? Mona go press on there. Go and paste it there. Go and paste it there. Hello, Daddy will call you back. Eh? Daddy is online. Daddy is on video. You see me, I'm online now. Don't you see it? Eh? Prince?
Yes.
Okay. Daddy love you. Yeah, give me a kiss. Love you. Mm-hmm. Please call me back. The person that just called now. Call my number +1 469 618 2990. Call me and tell me what we should do about these people. These people that want to allow Atiku Abubakar, who have just have an executive and legislative arms of looting meeting with Obasanjo. Call me. Hey, you will call Dorotoye. Before that phone ring, I want to quickly announce. This my brother, don't call again. If I say you go do your video tomorrow. Kevin. Kevin, you go do video tomorrow. I go train you. You go enter video. I beg you, if these people,
No, we got to fight these people. Seriously, we got to fight these people.
When you go do this, Dorotoye, where they suck Showore energy. Eh? I need to torpedo this man fast. I don't, thank God, I don't catch over there again. I don't catch over there, not until I torpedo, I don't talk to them. Because I know that they'll tell me, make I slow down. Hey, whoa.
This assignment you don't give up now. If you not respond for this assignment now, hey, we'll go take action.
See this Dorotoyo, Wuru.
Yeah. It's very annoying, very annoying, very annoying.
Well, all of a sudden, Dorotoyo, una don't hear from Dorotoyo since, una not hear of him again. Now Dorotoyo go do mastermind, the greatest manipulator of all time. Now you go plan. They say, oh, but we just go see Willow Shaker with you, eh?
I'm telling you.
Eh?
They can't take picture with them. You know?
Another propaganda.
The one is take advantage.
Exactly. Go tell the people, say Showore like me. Showore, you don't say Showore a good guy. Showore a good guy. Eh?
Of course, now I know now.
Mona share this video, go meet Dorotoye. Mona share this Doro. God bless you, my brother. But this Dorotoye, Boku stop on quick. This guy go carry this presidency, give a Yaya Atiku Abubakar a wanted man. Atiku Abubakar is wanted in America. No be say wanted of other wanted by the United States government. Atiku Abubakar cannot come to America or you go to jail. Go Google around. Ask anybody. Now me talking. Mega comrade. Atiku Abubakar is a fugitive to the United States. You see this flag? I will die for it. No, not you see. I not die for Nigerian flag. I will die for Edo flag. Edo flag. I know they die for Nigerian flag. Where Obasanjo don't destroy. Lower the volume there. Lower that volume there, my brother. Well, lower your volume there. Lower the volume over there. When you take the receipt.
Hello.
Lower the one there. Lower the video. The video there.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
It's already low.
Go ahead, sir.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Loud and clear.
Both Dorotoye and Kingsley, I know both of them are working for PDP.
Okay.
They can never push Owore down. Both of them are working for PDP. We are going to defeat them.
Okay.
We are going to defeat them.
Okay. Okay. God bless you for your information. Thank you. We need more information. Dorotoye, you heard it now. Breaking news. Dorotoye and Kingsley Moghalu, they are working for PDP. You know, I work with spirit. When I left work, you know what? This thing done. When I left work today, give me time. Well, we don't win an hour. When you have me, put it in my room. When I left work today, the Spirit of God told me, immediately you get home, I just tell my dad, I said, give me 1 p.m. share there. I just grab it, I'll put it on. I put it on. I said, let me come. Because my heart, my soul, have told me that this is the plan of this, of foreseen enemies. This is the plan of them. They want to use us. They want to destroy our hope. Showore is the only hope we have. When Dorotoye saw that PDP Atiku Abubakar held an executive legislative arm of looting meeting yesterday, but this man could not even think of the innocent Nigerians that are dying in Borno, that are dying in Edo State, dying all over Nigeria. The Igbo, IPOP, children, they kill innocent children. Dorotoye and Kingsley Moghalu. Whether an Igbo man or Igbo man, we don't know. They did not think of this, but instead they want to divide the vote. They want to share the vote. God have done it for us. Atiku Abubakar and Buhari, they go share their vote. Instead of them to unite, if Arawa carry their vote, not be all of them. My friend is a full animal, general in the army. He will never vote for Buhari. His children will never vote for Buhari. He has not gained anything from Buhari. If you are not in Buhari clique, he will suffer you. You will die slow like they take out pepper kill you. Now these same people, they say no. Instead of them to join Showore, they want to split our vote. Bola Tinubu, that one they do wrong. That one, God will give a punishment very soon. Bola Tinubu, that Tinubu, he not go even. Tinubu, I pray for your arrest, in permanent arrest in Jesus' name. Tinubu, if the way you are serving Nigeria, if that is how Jack Conde did it, Jack Conde, Latif Jack Conde, if the way you Bola Tinubu did to us now, if not so Jack Conde did that, you go live long. No, if not be so, you sell all the Oduduwa land, all the Yorubas, you sell them out for Guinea Fulani, not be even Nigerian Fulani. Guinea from Guinea Conakry, Mali, Burkina Faso, from Niger Fulani, like Abacha, he managed to come to Nigeria and come and rule us. Thank God he died for the land. Tinubu, God will arrest you. Now God, you see what you do about it. What did Abode do you? You see what you did to Abode after you use Abode. Everything Abode did, you went there and commission it. Monkey the work about the job. See, if na me be Abode, I for just go join AAC. If na get a number, Governor of Lagos State, make una go meet him. Come and join AAC. Join AAC. Make no worry. If you think PDP or APC will be forever, now lie you. PDP is going down. APC is already dead. Buhari know he will not win. Buhari want to do whatever. Thank God, Oshomule, God will give him upon. And Oshomule not go jail now. Buhari no go let him. Presidential immunity. He go give him. He go pardon him. Because Oshomule is the last of, is the mastermind of all ringing. Oshomule know how to ring. Now Pastor Sage is there, Yamu. Lucky Benedion and the teacher. But as a short man, you know, say me too, I short. But I regret say I talk Pastor Oshomule. I regret him. I even regret say I get body. Make not try short man at all. Mostly skinny and short. If you try them, you don't enter one chance. Oshomule is the only one that know how to dengue politics for Nigeria. Not be all those one do politics, good politics. Where they follow you play them, you not go ever get they go buy you out. You know the Pastor Sage is there, that one just did it like cellophane. They don't wrap on money. Pastor Sage is there, my brother, I'm only my brother. But the truth have to be told. They don't wrap on money. All in boys, they suffer. He pretend like say he not collect money. Me Pastor Sage is there, I'm sure you want content for 2020. Now what's somebody will they go? Now upper palace now will they go? Now all of us go chocolate. That 2016 election, if they not give you one kobo, you go first of all chocolate. They give you say you not go talk, you go chocolate. We not there for, we will carry Bible, we will carry ancestors. Both of them. Me and they serve God. But I know they throw away my father tradition. Lie. So that is it. So all this Oshomule star, we can barely beat it. We are hoping a miracle for God to open the youth eye very soon. But yet, this Kingsley Mogano manage to enter Showore. You know what? I'll do video for him. Share this video to him. Make her enter the next segment. I don't give her 1 hour, 30 minutes. Abi? No, 1 hour, 25 minutes. I think so. Or 15 minutes. That one is due for her. Mega show with Showore TRB/AAC Texas USA fundraising dinner party. Loading. Date Saturday, November 10, 2018. I repeat. Saturday, November 10, 2018. Dallas, Texas. It's going to go down. I am urging everyone to go and buy their ticket down ready to Dallas. If you buy a ticket right now, it's going to be cheap. Very, very cheap. You're going to see this superstar. This man When he send me all his music, oh my God, Akataka, you're going to see a lot of artists. A lot of superstars in Dallas. It's going to be mega. You know, mega do mega thing. You know what I'm saying? People going to have fun. You know what I mean? So it's going to be crazy. You know what I'm saying? We have started going from one organization. You know, we're going to invite everyone. Word of advice is what I've given to Kingsley Mogano and the rest. Hashtag Muhammad Buhari must go. Enough is enough. I want everyone to join Mega Comrade. Look at me. Look at everything we have done. PFM is not Benin movement. Look other social media, all the social media blogger. Ask them one question. Where are your future? This your social media you are doing. Where is it leading you to? Where is it just tick or what are you doing? Just ask them. My own is only PFM that have a vision for all. Only people freedom movement who have accomplished what nobody else have accomplished. With debt, we owe money. The debt is on my head. But I thank people freedom movement. Maybe one of these days God will touch their heart. They will know that me, you see me, I'm stressed out every day. Even the investment we did in my own village till tomorrow, we have not done anything with that. Nothing. I am the only first movement who bought 2 motorcycles, spent more than $1 million. What PDP could not do for Urenigbe people, APC could not do it for Urenigbe youth. I did it. I am the only one that don't have a house. I will help you build. I am the man who will not sink his own house and he will help you sink. I am the only one. PFM is the only movement. PDP have never one day buy even keke bicycle for any youth to use to work for them. PFM is the only one who buy 2 motorcycles for our Urenigbe children to use and work for us. But the work have not started yet. There's no work yet. But they are enjoying it. That is PFM for you. But guess what? Who knows? Tomorrow, that same people will be the people that will turn around and be beating Mega Comrade or be beating PFM. That is life for you. You don't know. So PFM have done what nobody. If it is easy, why is it that it's only what have PDP done to any community? Have you ever seen where PDP tell you to say, okay, take the key of a bicycle, use bicycle to go from one village to another? No. Whatever PFM did, AAC is the one that did it. I am a member of AAC, one of the father and the mother. Then you see all these children that you try to remove out of bondage. They will tell you, hey, Showore will not win. You want to go and vote PDP or APC, go and try it. If Urenigbe, Showore did not win Urenigbe, I will withdraw PFM out of Urenigbe. Urenigbe community. If Showore did not win Urenigbe, that we have invested in, there will be no PFM in Urenigbe. I'm a son of Urenigbe. We will withdraw it. Everything in Urenigbe, we will withdraw it. There will be nothing like PFM. So that job belongs to Jumbo to do. That is a task for him to do. We don't care. However he's going to do it, that is the assignment God have given me today to tell him. If Showore did not win Urenigbe, there will be no PFM in Urenigbe. If you want progress, prosperity, we will give you, show us appreciation. So, whatever we are doing now, I have a foundation, self-owned foundation, poor foundation that has nothing to do with PFM, But if I get a support, I'm doing it with my own money. I even use my bill money. The money I was supposed to use to pay bill is what I used to start it. I did not ask for nobody for penny for it. Nobody have given me a penny with my own money. I started it with my own, I repeat, with my own money. You bought me, yes, one. Why? Whatever little thing I can do, I will do it. Charity begins at home. Urenigbe is my father's home. There's a reason why PFM was first established in Urenigbe in Orion local government. If Urenigbe community did not appreciate that, we know what we have done there. Good or bad, we know what we have done. I have put Urenigbe in the map of the whole world. Orion have been in the, if that alone, he said no. There's no other local government. Orion, no, in the whole world that you mentioned today, you will see Orion. They tell you that's where Mega Comrade come from. So any of my family or brother or siblings or community, if you go and vote APC and PDP tomorrow, call me and say your wife won't deliver. You need money to pay for medical bill. You go ask Buhari or PDP. That is the picture I'm going to tell you. That is what you should tell your family. You go to the field and take 5,000, 10,000. If you are sick, you go collect that 10,000 for Aso Villa. They pay your medical bill. And we will never allow anybody to bring anyone come and say this one they sick, the other one they sick. Those people they are bringing out now, so they collect 5,000. When sickness come, they'll come they collect now money. But not send money to nobody. Don't send money to nobody. That is how to fight corruption. That is the beginning of fighting corruption. How long are you going to continue to send? You think the taker will be tired of taking? No, they are not tired of taking. You have to stand your ground. Let them know where you stand. Election is coming and you see them, you will tell them vote AAC, they will tell you that one not get level. Tomorrow one person will come carry and come social media. Say he get a Bashako. I beg you. Why not go meet Buhari? That is why I keep telling them, take them to Obaseki. Carry them to Obaseki. Carry them to Obaseki. I don't see reason why a person go donate for anybody. Say, go and use this to feed this one. Go and use this to help this one medical. Why did they sell their vote? Why? Now, look what Ranomigo Toko. Why are you selling your vote? Know fully well that 5,000 will not be enough for you to cure your sickness, for you to feed. Last year, Christmas and New Year, I supplied 20 bags of rice. I spent almost, is it 20 bags of rice? I spent almost $1 million. Ask Mama Bologna. Almost $1 million. I sent some to Renigbe in Okalima. I go and ask them. Even some that I brought, even my family, my Egbe, what do they call Egbe? Family. They just say this one our own. I beg. Wait now, we'll talk. They say Egbe tie. That the same thing I did to Ewesi. That is the two places I come from. I did not ask one penny online. It was all my money. I did not ask one penny online. All my money. I did not put it on social media. I did not video it. I did not do it. But I had the video of the bag, but I never put it on social media. I never do it. Because I give it out from my heart. That is what I have done a lot. That people don't know. I am praying by the power of God this year. May God, right now, I'm not working like I did last year. If I can even afford 2 bags, I will thank God. And my mother, may God bless my daughter the other day. My own grandmother is old. He was sick the other day. Only one, my daughter in London just sent the money home to my grandmother. I think it's 40 or 50,000. I don't know. To my grandmother. That is if someone that care. My own daughter is a pa. They talk of this your grandmother so much. The other day, my grandmother said, my son, I want you all to do birthday for me. Not when I die, you all will kick out. I'm still struggling to see how I can do that birthday. Then one person will use system and be robbing my sister, my siblings in Europe. We are not going to tolerate it. And they don't care. They don't care. Look at me. The other day, somebody, Mama Bolona were telling me, say, Pa, I say your eye don't rise level. I say, oh, my eye don't rise level. Now PFN put 11. Then Benin people, when they narrate me, they just I'm the only one that is speaking the truth. Me. Only one. And I me they hate. I'm the only one. Imagine what is going on social media now. They even try to put it on me. Every man buying vow, and I really make you way. They were putting my name, injecting my name in it because they were. Let me tell you, this is the juju they have been doing since to bring Iranomigo down. But the juju backfire, it go on other side. They don't go juju say, "Now Iranomigo do this thing at the end, not be Iranomigo." Oh, Salubana swaya no. You go see and they go they fall one by one. My hands are clean. You see this AAC. My hands are clean. Look at it. Very clean. Don't send money to them. Can you imagine? You send money to them, they will go and sell their vote for 2,000 naira. The next day they will call you. Call you, man. My son, my daughter. I'll be sick. Nigeria is very. What happened to the vote you sold? What happened to the vote you sold? All those women, they were dancing for Obaseki. Obaseki is already. At the end of the day, secret is open. Obaseki, no, they don't collect 3,000, 5,000. They go, they play Ukuse. And their children, they stay road for Europe. They know they play Ukuse. Now advise me, I just do. So, I don't try. What I've done for Benin, I know a lot of things that I've done. But it baffles me that a lot of Edo people, all they do, they clap for those that are killing them. You know, if he was Mega Comrade, if he was Mega Comrade that he will speak one word, at least 1%, you for don't hear a diaspora watchdog. If I don't come out, the if I don't come out, email me until you're calling me. Even man you, but I quiet till I see him. Igakawe or my makawe or my soladian, I my over soladian. Benin people. No nyakma chukma some no manya or ya echo. Eriwa tase. May God bless you all. Send this message. Let it go until it get to the desk. Cut it of Kingsley Mogano and Donotoye, whatever they call them. If you allowed Atiku Abubakar, imagine, look at this one. This one will be another day. I don't want to stay long on this one. You can see all the money they have stolen. Look at it. May God bless Showore. God bless America. God bless Donald J. Trump. And may the Lord Almighty protect all the members of People Freedom Movement, the good ones. I want you all to know those that are bringing our video. I'll continue. Bring it out. Let them be playing it. Give them work. Let them be doing it. Bring it out. One day, you will see your punishment will get to you. You will die by motor accident in Jesus' mighty name. If they did not send you and you take it out, you're going to die. You will die in Jesus' mighty name. You will die. The day you will die, you won't even know it. That is how it's going to be. So, may the Lord Almighty bless everyone. Please, if you know you are close to Showore, tell him to look out for himself. Donotoye, me, I not trust that guy. I not trust him at all. I not trust him. They want Buhari to continue. These people, they don't care.
money. Them the wuru government. Now you talk on, I know they Taku government. Superior. Talk it.
Hello?
I swear they don't deceive us.
Hello? Yes.
Jaga, jaga.
Yeah, mama. What's up?
I swear they don't deceive us. Jaga, jaga. Everything scatter, scatter.